Denise here from Knack Training, and today's video is where do I save this file? You're always working inside of SharePoint, Teams, or OneDrive, and do you ever freeze when you're like, where does this go? Let me break this down and I can show you where you should save your different files based on who needs it, when do they need it, and how long do they need it for. First, you should use OneDrive for your personal work files, drafts, notes, or documents that you're just not ready to share yet. It's your private space, but you can still share when needed. This is what my OneDrive looks like on my File Explorer. This is what it looks like inside the OneDrive app online. You can see that they are identical and they have the same files that are being shared in both locations. If I wanted to share with someone inside of my organization, I could choose a file. I can choose a file and I can choose to share it. When I open the file, it gives me the opportunity to add a name, group, or email and change whether they can edit it, view, or download. This is a direct share, or I can create a link where I can change my link settings to who I choose, people within my organization, or anyone. And I can add if they edit, view, or download, and then I can set an expiration date. SharePoint is for teams and departments. Think long-term storage and organized folders everyone on the team can access. Use it for project files, templates, policies, anything your whole team uses regularly. You can even create templates that are inside of your SharePoint library. Inside of here, we have a meeting notes template. So when we click on it, every time it will create a new document that we can add to. Teams is great if you are actively collaborating with others. You're going to save it in Teams, especially inside a channel's file tabs. Here's the file tab for this admin hub team, and the channel is processes and projects. Behind the scenes, it looks like it's being shared in Teams, but it is actually being shared inside of the SharePoint library connected to this team. Looks like it's in Teams, but it is actually being shared in SharePoint. No files are being stored inside of Teams. They're either in someone's OneDrive or in the Teams SharePoint site. Teams is great for real-time edits, chat-linked files, and current project work. You can add things to the file tab right here. You can add them in here, or you can add them in a post and it will come into this folder, or you can even take different files and add them as tabs inside of a Teams channel. So hopefully you have learned now where you should save a file, whether it be SharePoint, OneDrive, or Teams. SharePoint is for long-term team use. OneDrive, it's just for you. And Teams, you are actively collaborating with the file at that moment.